The next series of videos on enlargements contains 4 examples, and this is the first one. It's asking us to look at rectangle A, and that's here. And it's asking us to work out the scale factor of enlargement to get to B, C, and D. So in other words, what scale factor has A had to make it into B? The scale factor just means how much bigger is it. So we have a look at this line here that says 2, and now it's 4. So if it's grown from 2 to 4, the scale factor is just 2. It's 2 times the size. We can check it with this as well. If it's 4 across and it's 8 across here, then the 4 has grown to 8 with a scale factor of 2. So for part A, although it doesn't really say A in the question, the scale factor, SF, equals 2. What about for the next one, from A to C? Well, C is much smaller now. C is 2 by 1. And if it started at 4 by 2, it must have shrunk. And the scale factor here is a half. I could write this as 0.5. That's fine. For D rather, well, part C, how to go from A to D. Well, D is actually quite big here. It is 5, and it goes all the way across to. I can't really do it, but it's it keeps going to the here we go. That's it. There you go. So how has 2 grown to 5? Well, the scale factor could be worked out by taking the 5 here and dividing it by the 2. If we did 5 divided by 2, that tells us the scale factor would be 2.5. The 2 has grown 2.5 times to make 5. And we can check this by checking the 4. If the 4 grows 2.5 times, 2 times would be 8, and then another half would make it 10. And we can count the squares here to see if it's 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is 10. So if that scale factor, if that length is 10, that 4 has grown with the same scale factor. So this is an enlargement of scale factor 2.5.